Morning.
Morning. Right, get yourself ready and give us that driver's license. How are you feeling?
Not brilliant.
What is that?
Just nervous. I've never been this nervous in my life.
You what? You've never been this nervous in your life?
Nah. I've been shaking since the second I woke up.
Have you? And it's definitely booked for today, yeah?
Yep. I think.
Right, do all your mirrors and get your seat ready. Today we've got Michael in for test, first attempt. Should be a walk in the park this, but he had his white van moments, so a bit worried. Have any questions before we start?
No.
Are you sure?
I think I'm alright. Neville's Cross, when you're turning right, going back up towards Durham City Centre.
Yeah. Say that again, sorry?
Do you know Neville's Cross, when you like come up the hill towards Durham City Centre, you're turning right? Into that.
Yeah, you go up the hill, yes.
Is it possible for somebody to come into the yellow box from the opposite way at the same time as me?
Yeah. So
I've got to keep like a bit further back so we can swing around.
Swing around that way. So you go in the middle and stop and meet the back.
Right.
You know that? Because you can feel for going too far in, you can feel for not going far enough in.
Right.
So if you turn right there, the deer, when you drive in the middle, where are you going to stop if there's a car coming?
We meet it back from my turning point.
So how are you going to know where your meter back is?
I'm just gonna.
No, you're going to look to the centre of that road. If you don't look for it, you'll be stopping there. You look to the centre of the road and stop and meet it back. You got that?
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Nothing that's about it.
Sure?
I think so.
Right. His gaffer's going to sack him if he doesn't pass it here, isn't he?
Nah, he'll be alright.
He needs his driver's licence. Jameson, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have an email with this on?
With what on?
With the test date
It's
on.
on my girlfriend's email.
Is it?
Do you need it?
No, it's definitely 10/14, yeah?
Yeah.
Definitely got the right date?
Yeah.
What's the date today?
18th of May.
Right. Go on then, off you go. Now, Mick, is all them mirrors done?
Yeah.
And when you get in the car with the exam log, just drop your licence in there.
Right.
Put it in there, okay? What were you doing last night then?
Panicking.
Were you watching any videos?
I've been doing it all morning, so just the ones on what not to do, like the failing ones.
Oh, alright.
So
I like it when my pupils watch videos, get genned up. And if the lights change when in the middle, what do you do?
just continue on.
Continue. If you see a gap in the traffic,
Go.
good. Now make sure that you're set towards them. Make sure that you go into the middle when the lights change to green. If it's a green arrow, what do you do?
You just go straight around. Is that right?
Yep. And if there's one car in the middle, what do you do?
Wait for them to go and then go.
If that car there was turn the left, who would have priority, them or us?
Me.
No,
No, them.
them would, wouldn't it? Do you not think you should be using that parking brake now?
Well, I guess so.
Yeah.
Can't get minus for that though, can you?
Nope, but drive the way the examiners want you to drive.
This lad who I work with quite a bit just passed his test a couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. He's getting a little Clio.
Is he?
It's costing $4.5 grand a year insurance.
What?
It's crazy, isn't it?
That's mad, that. Couldn't afford to do the job, I had to pay $4.5 grand insurance, yeah.
It's a lot of money, like.
Well, if he drives safely every year, he'll go down, won't he?
There's a lass I know, I think she pays about 450 quid a year.
Does she?
It's class, that, like.
Yeah, that's good. If you drive safely when you pass, it'll just go down every year, no claims.
Hope I don't see no flashing lights there at any point.
What type of flashing lights?
Like ambulance or anything like that.
Right. Well, there's one there. So, what do you do? The blue light is
Just pull over at the safest place.
Yeah. Don't do anything illegal.
No mountain curbs or anything daft like that.
To be fair, when I've sat in on the back of test and I've seen the blue lights, I've seen the driving examiners help them.
What is in like? Can't tell them what to do.
Just pull up on the left here. You don't want to fail them, you know. You want to put safe, skillful drivers on the road. Yeah. So I've just seen them. So I just pop there. Just let the blue lights go past. They're a very nice bunch of examiners up here. Really nice. So give them a lovely, skillful, smooth.
I'm just taking your time the whole way.
So there, as soon as you see them cross now, you just took foot off gas. Just give them a bit more time.
It doesn't matter if I saw the guy behind us.
Don't walk in front of you. We're not likely. Would have been foot off gas straight away. Gives them a bit more time to cross the road, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's a hierarchy of road users, isn't it? And how many seconds is this between us and that van?
Just here too.
You're exactly right. It was just under 2 before I asked. So keep that 2-second gap. If them cyclists have been on here,
In the right lane.
you have to be in the right, and you can't half overtake. You've got to be in the right lane.
So then dual carriageway that there.
This is a bit fast. This. You what? Sorry?
It's just on a dual carriageway.
Yeah, it's get in the right lane, but since you come up a little bit on the fast side, I would have been braking a lot earlier than you, maybe about a bus length earlier, but very light and very smooth. That's it. Lovely bit of driving skill there. The roll and first rise and brake, lovely smooth approach, all excellent. That type of stuff impresses the examiner. Nice. Well done. Guess what every learner does now?
Just echoes on for them.
Yeah, I had a couple of field zero over the years.
I was watching that one this morning.
Hmm?
I was watching that one this morning.
Michael has fabulous driving skills, really smooth driver. I love his driving, but his brain doesn't work sometimes, does it?
Nah.
Sometimes it just doesn't work, and that's what scares me about it here. So I need you not to rush decisions, think about it.
It's not going to be anything come around because this hour, is it?
That's correct. And that's where you ran about turn right before, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just sit in the middle and stop and meet it back when you come up that bank. And if there's one car in the middle, you follow it in.
Yeah. If there's enough room.
Then who do you stop for?
Who did I stop?
Who do you stop for when you're reversing here?
Anybody coming in the road here.
Keep looking all around. Look through the back window also. The back window, that's it. Just keep looking all around. Keep your clutch to the floor. Well, you can't reverse backwards looking forwards, can you?
I'm just trying to like gauge the length, you know what I mean?
I'm a bud about that. Keep looking all around. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Drive on when you're ready.
You knew I did that, didn't you?
Yes. I'm thinking, what a plumber. The end of the road, turn right. Oh, you kind of pull out. What are we going to do there?
I was going to let her pass that. But...
What? You're kidding me, aren't you? Now he's flash you out. What are we going to do there? I've seen that before off used learners. You can't go left, gone into there.
Until I come to it again.
Yeah. Next left. Damn, what are you doing that for? That's what I mean, rush up these things. That worries me when you do things like that. I've seen that before with used learners doing that. I don't know why you do it. And then just pull up on the left for me. Stay right there. That'll do. Oh, dude. Damn. Scaring the life out of me now.
I'm scaring the life out of myself.
Right, you're sitting there. I'm all for one for getting the momentum going when it, you know, but when the car's there, you've got to wait to see before you pull out, haven't you? Do you not think?
Definitely.
What are you going to do? Look, are you going to pull out?
I was just going to roll until she.
Well, it didn't feel like you were going to roll. It was too quick for it to roll. If I was the examiner, I'd be doing this. Look.
Yeah.
Right, turn it around for us. Right. Will you relax or you
see me leg? It's going.
You what? See me, Michael.
It's no good. This I'm allowed to get out and have a quick vape and stuff.
What?
There was smoke.
Smoke? I need a smoke. I can smoke a cigar after this. See me, right?
Is that alright?
Yeah, it's time to wish Michael the very best of luck. He's got me stressed a bit. The nerves is kicking in big style with this one, so he needs to chill his beans. He wants to go for a vape. I don't vape, but I feel like vaping. Right, have any questions before I turn this off?
No, I think I'm good.
You sure? Right, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done, Michael.
Crushed it. Crushed it.
How many faults?
One minor.
What was it for?
I don't even know.
Approached around about 2 slow, and he said he felt like he was going to stop. Had he stopped you, he said you would have gotten a serious fault. Can you remember?
Yeah. I can't remember actually doing it, but I remember him saying it.
What did you what did you say? You thought you'd failed twice. Why was that?
Don't know. I can't even remember that either. One was a learner was doing a manoeuvre in front of us. He must have got the exact same test route, and he stopped right in front of us. And it's the way I went round him, I thought it was a bit funny, but I guess not.
So what manoeuvre did you do?
We parallel park. Got it in one, like.
Did you?
Straight away, aye.
It's a good job we practiced a lot, isn't it?
If we didn't do that this morning, I would have been knackered.
Hmm?
If we didn't do that this morning, I would have been knackered. Oh, it's a good job.
Oh, well done.
You asked the questions you were asking as well about the tyre pressure and stuff, so it was alright. Everything we'd done this morning, basically.
Which ones did you do?
What questions?
Yeah.
You asked about tyre pressure, how I would check it and that. And then he asked if I could start wash my windows, which I thought I might have gotten a fault for that because I was like panicking a bit. I forgot how to turn the back one off. Didn't have a good fault the front now, but I got it eventually. Like.
So was it hard then or what?
No, not really. I was like more nervous on the way here when I got in the car, but he's alright. But he started talking straight away. He was talking like mad for the first 10 minutes, and then he just went silent. So I thought I must have failed it at that point. But I did an emergency stop down here.
Did you?
And I did it. I thought it was alright, but maybe it's a little bit too long to actually stop.
Yeah.
I put the clutch down a bit early.
Yeah.
And then he just looked at us and said, "We're going to do another one of them." And I was like, But we didn't. Like we only did that round here, then we came straight round and back in the test centre.
What did you say? We're going to do another one?
Aye, and then we came straight round. The emergency stop was just on this corner coming back in.
Is it?
I stopped and then there was cars behind us after I stopped. I didn't know if they were going to overtake or not, so I didn't know whether to signal or not, because I didn't know if I was going to be taken off.
Yeah.
And there was a stop behind us, so I signalled and then moved off. But that's when he said I was going to do another one. It's just the way he looked at us, I thought it was like he was giving us a second chance basically there. But you know what, he sounds exactly like my girlfriend's brother. Sounds exactly like mine.
But you don't want to do that again.
Nah, never again. I'll not be getting my license took off as an hour.
Well, you need to drive safely now. Don't drive like one of them divvies.
So at least you can be in a good mood for the rest of the
Oh,
day now.
I'm over the moon with that, Michael. Well done.
I bet you were having second thoughts after this morning on the way here.
You were nervous, weren't you?
Oh, I was in bits.
Why was that?
I don't know, just like I say, it's the pressure I'm feeling really is a lot relying on it, but I'm alright now.
Oh, what a relief. I've got one more on Saturday.
Is that your next one?
I had one yesterday.
Pass or fail?
Passed. Jack, he was really nervous and all. Actually started to cry.
That's understandable, you know, I'm not even joking, like I was like, I don't know what it was, I've literally never ever been that nervous in my life. My throat was killing all the way around. So like when you're about to cry you get like a lump in your throat,
Yeah.
that's what it felt like, but I was in bits like all the way around.
Ah, you deserve it, well done.
Thank you very much actually for...
Well, I was the only instructor that helped, wasn't it?
I would have had no chance, would have had to cancel my test without you.
How many instructors did you ring up?
Between 20 and 30.
And nobody would
Nobody would have us.
touch him, would they?
No.
But he seemed like a nice lad on the phone, so I thought, yeah, I can help with that one. So well done. Were the videos helpful?
Very. I would recommend them to anyone, like.
Would you?
Any learner driver, I would recommend them.
Good. Oh, such a place that's over with. Especially out before you were flapping like a chicken, weren't you? It's nerve-wracking though, isn't it?
It is, like, especially when it's when you know you've got like another 4 or 5 months away for another test.
Yeah.
He was saying you get like one test guy gets about 7 or 8 a day to do.
Yeah.
So there must be quite a big queue of people doing it.
Saved me trailing out over here. Great feeling, isn't it?
I was dreading going to work and telling them I failed.